let's apply the eye glows and the brow line from Restore. So those will be the last 4 colors in your capsule on the bottom there. We're gonna use 3 colors for the eyeshadow look today. We're gonna start with the lightest color here. We're gonna use that on the inner part of our eyes just to give us a little pop of brightness right there. So do that on both sides. And then we're gonna go in with the next lighter shade, which will be a shimmer shade. You're gonna go in with that one, and we're gonna do that in the middle of our eyelid, which is just gonna be a nice shimmer. So you'll do that on both sides. Now you can use a brush if you want to do these colors, or you can just use your finger. I sometimes think just using a finger is easier. The next one we are going to go in is the darker one here. We are gonna go in, we are using the Shade and Go brush here. We're gonna use the more like poofy end, and just grab a little bit of that. And we're gonna go on the outer corner of our eye, and then we're gonna pull it up onto our brow bone as well to give us that natural, I guess not natural, but when you open your eyes, you're still gonna see the colors there. So you're gonna pull that up there so that you can see it whether your hair is, or whether your eye is open or closed. And we'll pull it onto our eyelid a little here to give us some dimension. Same thing on this side. Pull it up onto that brown bone to make sure you can see it when your eye is open. You can just open your eyes and make sure that your 2 sides match. And then I like to go back over with the middle shimmer, or the middle shimmer color, and just put a little bit more on just to get rid of any harsh lines between your 3 colors. Now, the next one we're gonna do is the brow line. That is the darkest color over here. We're gonna take this, we're gonna use it both as an eyeliner and also to fill your brows. So we're gonna first do eyeliner and just grab a little bit on this brush. This is the Line and Go brush. And we're just gonna do it on the top lash line here, just to give me a little bit of pop to my eye. It's going to just kind of call out my eye a little bit more and make it look like a more finished look. So we'll do that on both sides. Just like that. And then we will take that same brow line color and we are going to use it to fill our eyebrows. So I'm just gonna follow the natural path of my eyebrow and fill in any areas that are a little bit of sparse from over plucking from when I was younger. And just giving my face kind of some more structure so that when you look at it, it's going to pull. When you're looking at me, it's gonna pull you more towards my eyes. You can see how it just calls out my eye a little bit more on that side. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side as well. And just give me a little bit more structure over on this side. Now your Glow Capsule brow line color should match your hair pretty close. I obviously dye my hair, but this will match my hair color, my natural hair color, pretty close so that it looks more natural and it's not going to look like you have a totally different color eyebrow than you actually do with the rest of your face.